Alam niyo ba na first time namin na sumakay sa tricycle na baliktaran? At bumabiyahe kami ngayon ng pabaliktad, no? Ang ganda ng tricycle na to, napapakinabangan talaga siya na maayos. Kasi marami pwedeng sumakay, oh. So hi, magandang araw sa inyo. Nandito kami ngayon sa Apong Sitang. Kay Apong Sitang. Ano ba to? Kay Apong Sitang Restaurant. Nag-offer sila ng unlimited samgyupsal. Yes. At we are here to see kung ano yung ambience. And I'm going to make a review kung okay ba yung service, kung okay ba yung pagkain Korean food na sinaserve nila. So papasok kami ngayon. It just opened today. Soft opening ngayon, November 17. So we're gonna try kung ano yung makikita namin dito sa Apong Sitang Restaurant. Alright. I'm with Gab.
Hello.
Alright. So, may pool din siya, no? Ito yung pagpasok mo, may pool siya.
At ayan po yung ano natin. Ayan po yung pool natin.
Yung alin? Yung isa sa mga mag-service natin. Alright, so guys, papasok na kami ngayon, no? Bago to, mukhang napaka-conducive nung entrance nila, oh. Napakaganda. Something's new. So, tingnan nyo kung sino yung nakita namin, no? Hi, Karen! Hi ka sa vlog ko!
Hi!
Japchae. Japchae. This one is...
Ano yan? Seafoods?
Yeah. I don't know, seafoods. Chinese food. And tada!
Chicken roll?
No, chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets?
Yeah. This one's my favorite.
Ano yan? Wow! Goodness!
Ito is...
Chicken curry?
Yeah, I think so. Chicken curry.
Think so? This one?
This one is...
What's this?
Asado. Asadong baboy.
Yeah. And this one?
And...
Oh, that's beef
Pork
bulgogi.
teriyaki.
Teriyaki?
Yeah.
Tastes good. Alright, so tapos na kami kumain ng aking food buddy na si Gab. And we call ourselves dirty Gluttons kasi lagi kami kumakain ng samg. Pero this is the first time that I actually think of something na kada kain namin may review ako sa isang place para maiba naman kaysa sa puro kainan lang, dapat may purpose, di ba? At syempre para sa YouTube channel ko rin, di ba? Para marami yung mga subscribers ko. Alright. So this is my honest review. Yung whole dining experience ko dito sa bagong bukas na actually soft opening pa lang ng Apong Sitang Restaurant dito sa Macabebe, Pampanga. So it urges me to eat here kasi I think this is the first samg house, no, dito sa town ng Macabebe. So kaya nagpunta kami dito. Alright, so here's my review in the total dining experience here. First, the staff here are very hospitable and they are even approachable. So napakadali nilang utusan. Marunong silang makibagay. Yan. And it's a good thing na ganun lahat yung mga staff nila dito, no? Siyempre, inaalagaan mo rin yung mga customers mo. So that's number one and it's a yes for me. Then second, yung mga food na sinaserve nila sa buffet, ang pamatay doon is actually yung chicharon. So they are actually serving some Filipino foods here apart from Korean foods, no? So you have two options here. It's either samg ka lang or try ka ng buffet. But the food sa buffet table nila, they are serving 7 food na pinakita ko na kanina dun sa montage ko, alright, habang pumipili kami ng pagkain ng aking food buddy. Now, of course, they are serving typical Korean foods, especially mainly the samgyupsal. All right. The good thing about cooking the pork here is actually yung pinakalutuan nila, no. Sa dinami-dami ng napuntahan kong samgy house, no. Dito lang ako nasiyahan kasi walang dikit-dikit at di ba? No? It's a non-sticky, so hindi nasasobrahan yung karne sa pagluto kasi tsaka hindi siya talaga dumidikit, no. It's a good thing na ganon, talagang pang samgy talaga siya. And konting ano lang dun sa pinaka paste at tsaka dun sa yung paste medyo salty siya ng konti, but of course it's just a soft opening and I'm going to give my honest feedback na may pagka-salty siya ng konti. Yeah, may medyo dry siya ng konti, but of course siguro in the latter part, since soft opening pa lang, if they're gonna watch my review, sana ayusin nila. And then the kimchi thing, masyadong matamis. Medyo matamis siya ng konti. Siguro bagong lagay pa lang, no? Kasi the more na tumatagal yung kimchi, the more na sumasarap. Alright. And you know, ang gustong-gusto ko dito after mong kumain, pabatanggal ng umay, would be the buko pandan. Yes, napakasarap ng buko pandan, no? Yung talagang purong-puro yung buko. The place here, number 3, the place is actually a conducive one. The first time that I entered here, nakita nyo naman kanina yung pool, and then it's actually unique here since it actually, yeah, and it's yung atake kasi niya, it's parang you are entering an old Filipino house, yung nipa hut, no? So that's the main attraction here, and yun yung maganda doon, no? Some sort of Filipino and Korean thing, no? Pagpasok mo dito, nipa huts, and then nasa tabi siya ng ilog. So I saw a while ago, may mga private nipa huts. Kunyari kung medyo, if siguro it's upon reservation, no? Na ang unique lang, parang kailangan mo muna maglakad sa aisle, and beyond that aisle is actually ilog, ganon. So very Filipino siya, no? And it's really a yes. It's a yes kung gusto nyo kumain ng samgy tapos ayaw nyo ng medyo mga kamay usok, since most of the samgyupsal house are actually closed tsaka air-conditioned sila. But the good thing here, since tabi siya ng ilog, mahangin talaga siya, presko, no? Sobra. Ito yung nagustuhan ko. Yung tipong pag uwi ko ng bahay, hindi malagkit sa katawan, tsaka hindi ka, ang tawag dito, nagmamantika, no? And sobrang napakahangin. May mga ano doon, may mga water activities pala, no? Ewan ko kung if they were open, no? Kasi parang may mga bangka-bangka doon na pwede mong upahan, no? So, if you're going to ask me if I'm going to recommend this place, definitely it's a yes. First, the staff are actually hospitable and accommodating. Yeah, that's the right word. Yes. And first, the place itself is really good. It's conducive. No? Hindi siya mainit kasi it's open because of the Filipino side na may ilog, yung mga nipa huts dito. And the third, food is also good, especially the chicharon. So, I do recommend Apung Sitang sa restaurant, Unlimited Samg here in Macabebe.
Apung Isang.
Isang ba? Oh, so it's Apung Isang. So, I do recommend Apung Isang restaurant here in Macabebe, Unlimited SAMGYUPSAL. So, yung mga mahilig sa Korean dyan, yung mga opa, no? Punta kayo dito. If I'm going to rate it from 1 is being lowest and 10 being highest, so apparently siguro nasa 7 siya. Alright, so it's a positive feedback. So keep watching my videos on YouTube, and don't forget to click to share my videos and subscribe on my YouTube channel, and hit nyo rin yung ring button doon. Alright, so you'll be expecting more videos coming from me. So maraming salamat po. Yon. So may correction ako, no? Once again, Apung Isang Restaurant. Isa ba? Apung Isang Restaurant. Okay, tama na.